kotse yan. Ay, light lamp yan.
Poste light.
1,000. Oh, maglaland na. Ay, may McDonald's. Gusto ko kumain, Lord. Ayan na. Maglaland na tayo in 3, 2, 1. 300 feet. Wow, touchdown. We have now touchdown. We have now landed the Earth. This is Artemis 2. Bravo! Ayan yung mga airplane. Ting 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 ting.
Tapos di pala nakabidyo.
Dear guests, we have landed at Mactan Cebu International Airport. For your safety, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is switched off.
Wow! Ang ganda!
Be careful when opening the overhead compartment, and please ensure you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board, and we look forward to serving you again soon. On behalf of AirAsia, Captain Benny Salumpides, First Officer George Go, and the rest of the crew members, we would like to say thank you for flying with
Bravo!
us. For passengers traveling with Infant